Washing machine back in the house. Working good. No grinding noises like before. Nice and quiet. No problems. The only problem I have was that drawer, pedestal stand. The drawers were hard to get out, so I had to pop it out. And it's not quite in perfectly good, so if you pull the drawer out all the way, it comes off the track. Or not all the way, but 3/4 of the way out it comes off the track, so one of the little snags. But washing machine is good to go, baby. Before that thing was grinding, horrible noises. It's awesome. Samsung in Korea, the only thing you guys screwed up was that spider gear. Shame on you. Shame, shame, shame. Korean people are very proud. That's a complete failure on your part. You hired some dumb Adashi to make that. Okay? Hire smarter Adashis and Ajimas to make that thing properly. Okay? Choosing out.